Ever found yourself juggling appointments, payments, and inventory, wishing there was a magic wand to simplify it all? You're not alone. We've all been there, especially if you're running a service-based business. You've got clients to manage, schedules to maintain, and let's not forget you need to get paid. That's where tools like Acuity scheduling come in. It promises to streamline your booking process, but a question keeps popping up, a question that could be a game changer for many of you. Does Acuity have POS? Think about it. You've got your client in front of you, the service is done, and now it's time for payment. Ideally, you want a seamless transition. A quick swipe, tap, or click, and you're done. No fumbling with separate apps, no manual entry, just a smooth, professional transaction. That's the dream, right? But is it a reality with Acuity? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this question is so crucial. For many small business owners, especially those in the beauty, wellness, or personal training industries, a point-of-sale POS system isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. It's the bridge between providing a service and getting paid for it. It's about efficiency, accuracy, and creating a positive customer experience. Imagine this scenario: you're a hairstylist. You've just given your client a fabulous new look. They're thrilled, and you're ready to wrap things up. But then you realize you need to switch to a separate app to process their payment. You have to manually enter the amount, potentially leading to errors, and your client might be left waiting. It disrupts the flow, and honestly, it just feels clunky. Now, let's contrast that with a scenario where your scheduling software seamlessly integrates with a POS system. You click a button, the payment is processed, and your client is on their way. It's a smooth, professional experience that leaves a lasting impression. That's the power of integrated systems. Acuity scheduling has long been a popular choice for businesses looking to simplify their appointment booking. It excels at managing schedules, sending reminders, and providing a user-friendly interface. But does it cover the crucial aspect of point of sale? The answer, as with many things in the tech world, is nuanced. Acuity itself doesn't offer a built-in, standalone POS system in the traditional sense. You won't find a dedicated POS tab within the Acuity interface. However, that doesn't mean you can't process payments through Acuity. Acuity integrates with several popular payment processors, including Stripe, Square, and PayPal. These integrations allow you to accept payments online, either during the booking process or after the service is rendered. This is where things get interesting. Let's break down how this works. When a client books an appointment through Acuity, you can require them to pay a deposit or the full amount up front. This is handled through the integrated payment processor. The funds are then deposited into your linked bank account. This is a form of online payment processing, which is a crucial component of a POS system. But what about in-person payments? This is where the integration with Square and Stripe becomes particularly relevant. Both Square and Stripe offer mobile POS solutions that allow you to accept payments using a card reader or mobile device. You can link these accounts to your Acuity account, and while you're not directly processing payments through Acuity's interface, the payment data is often synced or accessible within your payment processor's dashboard. For example, if you use Square, you can use the Square app on your phone or tablet to process a payment after an appointment. You can then mark the appointment as paid in Acuity. This creates a cohesive record of your appointments and payments. However, it's important to note that this isn't a fully integrated, seamless POS experience. You're essentially using two separate systems that work in tandem. You'll need to manage your payments through your chosen payment processor and your appointments through Acuity. This brings us to the core of the issue. When people ask, does Acuity have POS? They're often looking for a comprehensive solution that handles everything from booking to payment within a single platform. While Acuity doesn't offer that, it does provide the tools to integrate with established payment processors, effectively creating a hybrid POS system. So what are the pros and cons of this approach? On the plus side, you get the flexibility to choose a payment processor that best suits your needs. Stripe and Square, for example, offer a wide range of features and competitive pricing. You also benefit from Acuity's robust scheduling capabilities, which are second to none. On the downside, you'll need to manage multiple platforms. This can be a bit more complex than using a single integrated system. You'll also need to ensure that your payment processor and Acuity account are properly synced to avoid any discrepancies. For businesses that primarily operate online, Acuity's payment integrations might be sufficient. You can accept payments during the booking process, and you don't need to worry about in-person transactions. However, for businesses that rely heavily on in-person payments, a more robust POS system might be necessary. You might consider using a dedicated POS system that integrates with your scheduling software, or choosing a scheduling software that offers a built-in POS solution. It's also worth noting that the landscape of software integrations is constantly evolving. Acuity may introduce new features or integrations in the future that further bridge the gap between scheduling and POS. So, where does this leave us? Does Acuity have POS? The answer is a qualified yes. It doesn't have a standalone POS system, but it integrates with leading payment processors, allowing you to accept payments online and in person. The key takeaway is that you need to understand your specific needs and choose a solution that aligns with your business model. If you're looking for a simple scheduling tool that integrates with popular payment processors, Acuity is a solid choice. However, if you require a comprehensive POS system with advanced features, you might need to explore other options. Ultimately, the best solution depends on your individual requirements. Consider factors such as your business size, the types of services you offer, and your preferred payment methods. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.